Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your microphone audio is not working on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing you want to do is ensure that your microphone is plugged in. So go up to settings right here and select this and go on down to where it says sound. And then under microphone, go to the input device and make sure you have the correct microphone selected. So I have my headset on here. So on every PlayStation 5 controller, unless it's a third-party one, there is a microphone on your controller that you can use to speak to people. So if your microphone is broken, you can just switch to this, go to adjust microphone level, and just start speaking right here. And you can use your controller to talk to anybody you want. But we can go back over to my headset now, choose this, and then go to adjust microphone level. And you can see nothing's happening because my microphone is muted. So on my Turtle Beach headset, there is a mute option on here. I just flick up my microphone and it will mute it. Otherwise, there is a little button I can press too. So I can bring this down now and I can start speaking, and you can see it's in the good section. So make sure your microphone is not muted when it's turned on. And then we can do the same thing under here. So look at these options too. I have microphone status when logged in. I have it turned on. If you go to mute, every time you turn on your headset and log in, it's going to automatically mute your microphone. Same thing for this option. As soon as you start broadcasting, it's going to mute your microphone. So if you look at your controller, if there is a huge red button on it, that means it's muted. So if you look right here, my microphone is muted. So unmute it. Now, if it's flashing red, that means all audio is muted. So we can go back now. You can see this. Just press the red button twice and unmute your microphone. And then we can go over to audio output and just make sure you have your headset selected or your TV selected under here as well. Now we can go on down under here and we have all audio if we want both the game audio and the chat audio to come through our headset. And maybe we have an issue, our headset is connected to our controller. So if we turn on mono audio for headset, sometimes this will get the audio to work with something plugged into our controller. And then we can turn this on or off and decide. Also, we could try setting up 3D audio. If you haven't done this yet, as soon as you get your headset fixed and it's working, set up a 3D audio profile. It'll take you like 3 to 5 minutes, but improve the sound quality of your headset by a lot. I highly recommend it. Also, we have volume under here. Maybe you have your headset all the way to the left and you're just not getting any audio. Try turning this all the way up to the right. And then select the headset option for volume and just turn it up manually on your headset itself. So you actually have audio. If you need additional audio, you can go to audio focus right here and turn this on. And you can boost the audio on quiet sounds, voices, low pitch, high pitch, etc. And you can make everything a lot louder if you go to strong. So if it's a really weak headset or something like that, you can increase the audio even more from there on out. Now, another thing is if you press the capture and sharing button, it'll open up the screen right here. Go over to the right. Maybe you're trying to capture audio and it's just not recording it, and that's your issue. Make sure you include the audio right here for your recordings. Include my microphone audio right here in your video clips. Then you can also include your party audio too. So maybe that's the issue. Then let's go on and go over to Game Base. Go to this and press options now. Go to Game Base. And then go to settings on here, Game Base settings. And go to voice chat settings. And here we have some options under here. So our microphone isn't muted. Make sure you're not muting your friends by accident too. By going to mute game voice chat. Make sure this is on muted. Also, you can go to share your voice right here. You can share your voice in other people's recordings. And then we have all these different options. So once we have that set up, we can go to settings now. We can go all the way down to captures. I'll show you one last thing. If we're trying to broadcast and people aren't getting into our broadcast or something like that, we can go to audio right here and include party audio in our live stream. So look at all these different options. Hopefully one of them did indeed help you guys out. And just a heads up, if you are plugging in your controller with the headset, if you are charging it, you're going to get like a buzzing sound or something like that. So you're going to have to unplug your controller from charging and then plug it in. And then also another thing I should talk to you guys about. If you do have it plugged in your controller, sometimes these headsets, you have to unplug them just a little bit and bring them out slowly, and you'll get the audio eventually when everything aligns. So you can't plug it in all the way. Like I think on one of my Apple headsets, you have to slowly take them out, and then eventually you'll get some audio, and then you have to leave it right there. So go ahead and try that out. Turn off your PlayStation 5, turn it back on, update your controller, update everything, and hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.